Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Okay, today is 8th February 2023. I'm gonna update. I have a new open position. Right now, I'm using only, uh, not only, I'm sorry. I'm using 1 hour time frames. Normally, I'm using 4 hour time frame. I just want to try to uh, get some opportunity because this morning in my country time I've seen there is some good opportunity, so I decided to take a new open position, which is pound sterling Australian dollar. Okay, pound sterling Australian dollar. This is the green line is the price where I took the position. Okay, I took sell, and this is only 0.01. This is really small. So take profit level is 100 pips and stop loss it's 100 pips. Okay, so if you not really understand about Ichimoku, I will explain to you slowly so you can catch up with me. Well, basically, you can see here, Chukospan is the green. This is the green line is called Chukospan is already outside. This is Tenkan-sen, the blue line is Tenkan-sen. This is the red line is Kijun-sen, and this is the Kumo cloud. The Kumo cloud is the color is already red, so that's why that mean is according to the standard Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system, there's gonna be the signal for sell. That's the reason I took the sell position. Okay, and basically just like this, and then we're just waiting for whatever the result is good or bad. Well, at least you already put your take profit level and stop loss level. That is so simple. Okay, I will make an update later when I close the position. Thanks you for watching, and I'll see you later. Okay, thank you.